Hi, James again from KSTHL Labels. So sometimes customers without designer, they always asking us if we can do the designer for them about the labels. Actually, for the artwork, we are not professional on the design of the design artwork. But if some sample design, sample logos, so we can do that. We can help do that. But you should send the PDF or AI of the logo, and then we can do the artwork. But if some professional artwork we can to do, just do some simple artwork to you. Actually, if you have those artwork, let's the while garments designs, you can ask from your designer. Your designer, of course, have this have more information about the design artwork, garments design artwork, and or accessories artwork, and so they have this. So you can ask him from them. So that's more easy, because we just we are the factories, so we just production developing the samples depend on your design artwork. So if you can offer us the exact design artwork, that's more easy for our work. Thank you. Bye bye.